Hi guys, Danny here. Today I'm doing a quick video showing you how to fix the Wi-Fi connectivity issues on the Mark drone. Now this might not work for all of you, but what this is going to allow you to do, if your phone doesn't support 5.8 gigahertz or maybe doesn't support a certain band, which sometimes can be the case, you can change the drone's frequency to 2.4 gigahertz, which should allow you to use this drone on older phones. Now the only way you're able to do this if your phone cannot connect to the drone's Wi-Fi is unfortunately to borrow someone else's phone. This is a little bit of a pain, I know. I used an iPhone, a friend's iPhone. I was able to then connect into the drone, and you can then see you can change the signal from 5.8 to 2.4 gigahertz. By default it's set to 5.8. I'm not sure why they decided to do this because it's less common. But of course you can go in and change this. Once you do change this setting, it will stay on that setting, so you can power the drone off and on again and you'll still be able to connect to it using your smartphone of choice. So I hope this helps some of you. This is just a quick tutorial on how to do this. Thanks for watching.